So this is our 3-year-old washing machine, Sears, and this is what it sounds like. I think it's getting ready to take off. And of course I've called all the parts places to find out about replacing the tub bearings, and apparently this machine is so difficult to work on that nobody has the correct story. So I'm going to go ahead and take this apart myself and see if I can figure out what the hell is making this noise. I believe it's the tub bearing, but finding one could be an issue. More to come. So, got the washing machine disconnected, unplugged, got the hoses off the back. All I should have to do is disconnect the hose clamp down there and take it out to the garage. I found a great YouTube video online from fix.com. I've also put on the slide below the link. If that does not work, you can Google replace Whirlpool washing machine Gearcase, and that will take you to the video as well. The gentleman is very thorough and explains how to take apart and then reassemble the washer. Okay, so you have a Sears Kenmore, or the Whirlpool equivalent of a 110-222-42-510 washing machine, and it's making noise when it goes in the spin cycle, or it's very loud when it's spinning or washing. Most likely what has happened is the bearings have gone. Under normal conditions with different machines, you could actually replace the bearings and the drive shaft. Unfortunately, since we bought this 3 years ago, they made a change. Now the bearings and drive shaft are in a sealed unit. Now let me show you how this unit sounds when you spin this. You hear the rubbing sound there? When that gets spinning at high speeds, it sounds like an aircraft or helicopter taking off. This is the replacement unit I bought online for about 200 bucks. And what I'm going to do is place this in here, and you can move a little closer and see what you can hear now. As you can see, there's exactly no noise coming out of that. I spent a lot of time trying to find the bearings and drive shaft for this, including calling Sears Direct, Parts Direct, and they told me I needed to buy the outer tub, which I don't know where they got that from. But to save you a bunch of time, I spent 6 hours Googling, looking on parts online places, and finally, I was able to figure out that this is a sealed unit, and the best thing to do is just to buy a new one if this one goes bad. Also, regarding the outer tub, they try to tell you this is a bearing. This is not a bearing. This is actually a rubber seal, and it comes with this unit. You don't have to buy it separately. So I made a video earlier about what it sounded like. I'm going to go ahead and put it all back together again and make another video at the end to see if it's fixed the problem. More to come. Okay, so this is the old Gearcase transmission. It has the motor, it has the capacitor, and it has the transmission switch right here. I've used a couple of buckets to hold them upright. I'm simply going to do a transfer from here to the new one. More to come. Okay, the moment of truth. The light is on spin, and now we're going to find out if I fixed the noisy problem with it. It's spinning up. It has now reached maximum spin. So it appears, if you listen to the before video and this video, the gearbox / transmission was the issue. Okay, so this is our 3-year-old washing machine, Sears, and this is what it sounds like. I think it's ready to take off. It has now reached maximum spin.